In today's video, I'll teach you how to enable two-factor authentication in Unipay. So first of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in business.unipay.com. Press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Unipay. Make sure you're logged in to your account. You can see over here, initially you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to enable the two-factor authentication, what you have to do is click on the profile icon that you can see right over here on your screen. Now after you do that, you'll be able to find two options, My Profile, Sign Out. Click on this option, My Profile, that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll be led to your profile interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. Simply scroll down. Now over here, you'll be able to find this option for enable two-factor authentication. Right over here, you'll be able to enable the Google 2FA authenticator. So what you have to do is toggle this button on right next to the option for authenticator app. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to enable the two-factor authentication. First of all, install the Authenticator app in your mobile device. You can install the Google Authenticator. It will be very easy. After you install the Authenticator app, what you have to do is simply open the Authenticator app and scan the QR code that you can see on the screen. Or you can also enter this text code on the app if you want. After you scan this QR code, you'll be able to see the verification code being displayed in the Google Authenticator. What you have to do is simply enter that 6-digit verification code over here. Now you can see over here, Google two-factor authenticator has been enabled. Now your account will be secured as the extra layer of security will be added to your account. So like this, you'll be able to enable it. So that is how you enable two-factor authentication in Unipay. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.